December 27th, 2007. And as you can tell, I'm not really recording this from my room. In fact, I am recording it from the parking lot of Walmart. I just bought this little digital camcorder right now, and apparently it's working, so I'm just going to shut it off for now and drive back home. Yep, I've got a digital camcorder now, so I'll be able to actually move around a little instead of being confined to this room. This camcorder runs off of 2 AA batteries, so that's pretty nice, but the battery life is only about 2.5 hours, so that's not so nice.